Go on then. There. Where? Up here. You're coming up here? You can't get up, okay? Lie down. Stop fussing. There. What are you doing up here? You're so clever. I love you. Now let me pick some greens. Go on down. I've got plenty. I'm coming down. Just go down there. I'm coming down now. Are you trying to come up, Blue? You can't get up here. Go on. Let's go. Ready? There's so much. Okay, full already? You're full? This is good. That one over there is really good. Are you eating, little one? Do you want some grass? Good. Where, huh? Blue, don't come up here. My vegetable patch is ruined. Oh, you. It's naturally so good. I think this much is enough. Got quite a lot now. Let's go, Blue. Let's go home so I can feed you rice too. Get down, quick. So much. Go to the market. Come on up, Blue. Oh,